that smile that was on your face, the promises that we made. And now your love is my reward. We made it, you and I.
Thank you so much, Andre and Syra. And let's have another raffle draw. This time let's have Ma'am Sherwin and Ate Christine. Ayan. Our next lucky winner will be receiving 5 kilos of rice. Congratulations to number 193. Congratulations to King Secolies. King Secolies. King, where are you? 5, 4, 3, 2. Ayan, congratulations. Napahoy-hoy. Ayan, smile tayo sa camera, anak. Doon, smile. Buhatin mo yung prize. And our next lucky winner for 5 kilos of rice. Congratulations, number 178. You are Miss Annabelle Abukay. Annabelle Abukay, ayan, will be receiving 5 kilos of rice. Smile. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have another raffle draw. Ayan. This time, our next lucky winner will be receiving 5 kilos of rice. Congratulations, number 151, Katie Taklay. Ba't parang ang suswerte ng mga kids? Ayan. Smile, anak. Our next lucky winner, who will receive 5 kilos of rice. Congratulations to number 337, Nicole Secolies. Nicole Secolies, 5 kilos of rice. 5, 4, Nicole Secolies. 3, 2, Nicole Secolies. 1, 0. Ayan, we're very sorry po. Kung sino po yung may number, dapat siya daw po yung mag-claim coming from the Gamayo family. Sorry po. Ayan, so let's have another one. Ayan, dahil wala si Nicole. Congratulations to number 227. Precious Salisi. Ayan, congratulations to all of our winners. And this time, let's have another... Ayan, so this piece is for everyone. Mukhang hindi ko pa nabibigyan ng piece si Kuya Sherwin. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, to lead this piece is Mr. Sherwin Gamayo, one of the Balikbayan. So sweet music, maestro. Public may follow. Thank you. Again, this piece is to be led by our dear Balikbayan, Mr. Sherwin Gamayo. Public may follow. Thank you.
We've come so far to leave it all behind. I wonder why. Why did you go away? You left me all alone. No words can say, my love, please stay. You and I, we have moments left to share. You and I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know we can have it all forever. Each night I pray that we can be together once again. Forevermore we'll stay in love this way, no matter what they say, until the end. You and I, we have moments left to share. You and I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know we can have it all forever.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the R&B and the Side Street Band. And of course, our dear Balikbayan, Mr. Sherwin Gamayo. Ayan. This time, let's have another raffle draw. Syra. Dapat sa Gagay-Saka yun. Ayan, our 6 lucky winners will be receiving 500 pesos in cash. And you are lucky tonight, number 247. Congratulations to Erlinda D. Gamayo. Number 247, congratulations po. Our next lucky winner for 500 pesos is number 108. Congratulations to Mr. Anselmo Pasion. 108, Mr. Anselmo Pasion. 5, 4. Hindi, nakatulog na. We're very sorry po. Dapat I will ask to the ayan. Shall I give it? Oo, hindi daw siya makalakad, kuya. Yeah. Okay. Coming from the ha? Ayan. So, smile tayo doon, mami. 108. Congratulations. Our next lucky winner for 500 pesos. Number 141. Angelica Bitanga. 5, 4. Angelica Bitanga for 500 pesos. 3, 2, 1. Ayan, nakatulog na daw kasi may duty ata bukas. Ayan, pasensya na po. Our next lucky winner is number 58. Flora Gamayo. Flora Gamayo. Ada, di siya na ni Mami Taray. 500 pesos. Jeric. Congratulations po, Mami. Please, wear your beautiful smile sa ating camera. Our next lucky winner who will receive 500 pesos in cash. Congratulations to Terry Salisi. 5, 4. Terry Salisi. 2. I'm very sorry. Wala po. Pasensya na po. For 500 pesos. Congratulations to Mary Rose Miguel. Mary Rose Miguel. Ayan, dito tayo sa stage. Kids, agpaigid kayo nga pag naandit na. Ayan, congratulations po. Ayan, smile tayo sa ating camera. Ayan, congrats. Ayan, let's have one more. Mang Roel. Sino dyan yung sumisigaw ng umaykan gasat? For 500 pesos, congratulations to Rachel from RNB. 500 pesos. Ma'am Rachel from RNB. Congratulations po. Ayan, smile tayo sa ating camera, ma'am. Ayan, this time, ladies and gentlemen, to lead this piece is for everyone. So, music maestro. Rock music naman daw po. And this piece is for everyone, rock music maestro. Dance for all, everyone!
every day and every night. Tonight I wanna hold you, love you till the end of time. Stay every night, 'cause I want you in my life. And I wanna love you, I will never make you cry.
Yes, at may dumating na request.
Anong request?
Yes, ayan. Through the years, thousand years, ages medley, achy breaky heart.
Unahin na natin yung ages medley. Baka sakaling mapuno ang ating mga butas dito.
Yes, at syempre, thank you so much po sa mga nagbigay ng compliments.
At syempre, eto.
And so before they will sing to us the Ages medley, let's have some raffle. Ayan. O, sino pa po yung mga hindi na nanalo? Diba? Nagado kayo. Oh, one more. You are the lucky guy na nabunot ng ating mga dear balikbayans. Our first lucky winner for 500 pesos. Congratulations to number 55, Carrie Erice from Batu. Carrie Erice for 500 pesos. Nakauwi na daw. Pasensya na po. Ayan. Our next lucky winner for 500 pesos is number 76. Rona Cardenas. For 500 pesos. Ay, anak. Ayan, Kagawad Rona Cardenas. Ayan. And our next lucky winner for 500 pesos. Congratulations to Ramil Pagaling. O, pagtulog, gisingin. Ayan o. Ala, uncle, napanan nyo. Auntie Vilma, where are you? Ayan. 500 pesos. Ne, saya atom tayo badbadom, uncle. Baka sa balit panunutin da. Here, your 500 pesos prize. Ni baliktad sapay. Apo! Smile, uncle. Ayan doon. Ayan, isang 500 pa po. Ayan, bubunutin ni Kuya Sherwin. Okay, for 500 pesos, congratulations to number 66. Congratulations to Princess Ascanio. Ayan, siya ang nagsulat kaya alam na alam. Congratulations. Ayan, I guess, ready na ang R&B band with our song request. Ayan.
Alright, and this time I'd like to give you a special request. A song from the Aegis. And this song is dedicated to, of course, the Gamayo family. Ayan.
Sumidhing damdamin kahit halik lang ang akin. Nababaliw ako sa'yo, bawat silap mo, puso ko sa isang sulok na lang umibig sa'yo. Sinta, umibig sa'yo. Sinta, umibig
malapit sa'yo. Ninais ko malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, baliwala lang sa'yo. Hindi ko na kailangan umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na. At ito ang iyong tandaan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo na kahit nasa luha, mababayaran mo. Ayaw ko nang mangarap, ayaw ko nang tumingin, ayaw ko nang manalamin. Nasasaktan ang damdamin, kulong ng buhay, patuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot. Noon ako'y nasa ilalim, bakit ngayon nasa ilalim pa rin? Kulong ng buhay, patuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot. Noon ako'y nasa ilalim, sana bukas na sa ibabaw ng ayoko sana na ikaw ay mawawala, mawawasak lamang ang aking mundo. Ngunit anong magagawa kung talagang ayaw mo na? Sino ba naman ako para bigyan ka? Ngayon naman ay maiiwan ang bakas ng ating pagmamahalan. Ang awitin ito ay alaala na hindi kita malilimutan. Ang tanging laman ng aking mundo, ng aking puso, ng aking buhay. Mahalin mo, namimiss ko. Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. Iniwan mo ako. Nasasaktan ako, baby, sa tuwing nakikita ka. Naninibag ako, baby, pag may kasama kang iba. Nasasaktan ako, baby, sa tuwing nakikita ka. Naninibag ako, baby, pag may kasama kang iba. Ng aking mundo, ng aking puso, ng aking buhay. Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. Bakit iniwan? Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. Bakit iniwan? Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. Bakit iniwan mo ako? Yes! Ayan. Tapos na po yung kanta na Aegis. And maraming salamat sa binigay ng compliments. And this time, we'd like to give you another requested song.
Through the years.
Napagod ka.
Okay ka lang?
Or
Parang, Diyos
Hindi,
ko.
ang hina kasi. Through the years.
Through the years.
Ayan,
Okay.
so habang...
Raffle daw ulit. Okay. Baka sakaling may manalo sa atin.
okay.
Sa R&B.
Sound check.
Ayan, our 4 lucky winners will receive 10 kilos of rice. Our first lucky winner for 10 kilos of rice, congratulations, number 5, Lucrecia Pasion. Kuya, gitod ka mo kailangan ron. Our next lucky winner is number 146, Delia Tabuyo. Mom of Ma'am Christine, tama? Si Ma'am Delia? Mommy ni Ma'am Christine. Congratulations. Our next lucky winner is number 70. Congratulations to Rayman Ascanio. Rayman Ascanio. Rayman Ascanio, 5. Rayman Ascanio. 3. Ayan, nandyan na. Congratulations po. Our next lucky winner for 10 kilos of rice, congratulations to Mike Taklay. Mike Taklay, I guess from Katikran. Mike Taklay, is he around? Wala po. Mike Taklay. Wala po si Mike Taklay. Ayan, one more to go. Our next lucky winner for 10 kilos of rice, congratulations to number 191. Mark Kenzo Cadion. Mark Kenzo Cadion. 5, 4. Mark Kenzo Cadion. Ayan. Samahan mo na lang po, Mami. Anak ko may mualan dito isang ni Mama Moon. Kenzo. Kenzo, madi maala ni Mamam dito numadim nga kadwaan anak ko. Please. Ayan. So, congratulations this time. Let's have the R&B band again on stage. And dance for all, everyone.
Okay, and this time I'd like to give you another requested song coming from Gamayo family, Through the Years. At kayo lang na naman nagkita-kita. Ayan. And to Sir Euclid Alipin from Maui, Hawaii. Hello po.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. And I swear you've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who listened to before. And I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needed someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I've never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. time.